These are our top winning handles.
Let me show you one by one. We manufacture these handles using Mazak Grade 3 Zinc. This is MR1002 with Sati plus CP finish, a beautiful triangular design. This one right here is MR1007 with a fully matte black round design. This is a MR1004 with satin finish. Looks very premium and elegant to your door. This is MR1010 with a Coca-Cola and CP finish. Looks very minimal and gives a decent and different look to your door. Please check out our website www.ramirroirc.com for more updates.